How far are you going? Just on this side or that side? I can give you a ride. Just sit right here. Yep. Take a seat and then just put that across your lap.
Yeah. Thanks, man.
Yeah.
Whoa.
You good? I go slow, I ain't gonna push the issue. Setting up for walleyes, I take it? And we just got out here like a half hour ago, so.
I didn't install on fucking Delavan, so.
Were you? You were where?
I was out in Delavan.
Oh, on that bay?
Install. No, working.
Oh, okay.
Doing an install, so it's the quickest I can get out here.
Fuck yeah. All right, I'll see you. I'm Max. Nice to meet you.
I just texted you.
Oh, you Blake?
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay, Max.
Yep, I got it. That'd be cool if it's a nice one. He's on it. You see him? Yeah, he moved it. He ran though, so I don't know if it's a walleye. If you want to hold on top. Ready? There he is. Got him. Oh, it's heavier. That just the tip up like too. That's kind of cool. I've never tried the green yet. He's fighting. I don't know. It's not fighting like a walleye though. It's a walleye. Here he is. Nice one. Nice one. There you go. Hell yeah! Thanks a lot for that one.
It's a nice one.
Yeah, it might even be. He's fat. Look how fat that thing is.
I don't know if he's gonna be long enough, but he's definitely a healthy.
God, I decided to check that. He's there, Paul. I set the flag wrong. Ready?
Oh, is he gone?
Nope, there he is. There he is.
Yeah.
A lot heavier, a lot heavier. A lot heavier than the last one. He's right here, right away. Oh, there we go, there we go, there we go, right there.
No, it's a walleye.
Nope, nice walleye.
Keep his head up.
There you go. Oh!
Nice, even fatter.
Even fatter!
I don't think it's still 18 yet, but man, that's a healthy fish.
That's pretty close. It's going to be closer than the last one.
17?
Oh boy. If you pinch the tail, he's right there.
Yeah.
17 and a half.
Man, that's a fat fish.
I'm coming. I got the lighter.
Sweet.
Of all people, I had a lighter.
You're like a Boy Scout. Now we can also smoke six.
That's chilly.
Yeah, I was gonna put my light on to see if I could see the fin, but I didn't know if it.
I'll just leave the SNOWDOGS light on.
Oh, I meant before you got to it. I don't know if it's spun or not.
That's right there.
Well, it definitely wasn't the wind.
No, but he's still swimming off to the side, so.
Something smacked it or scared the f out of him.
Something's holding it, Paul.
Really?
No way is a Rosie pulling like that.
Could be a little perch.
Right here. Dude, just swimming in a circle. Look at that.
Oh, I thought you
said he's going too. Look at her. She's going. All right, you want to get it?
No, get it.
Sure?
Yep.
All right. Can't say I didn't offer.
I appreciate it. Guides don't usually pull in fish.
What's that?
Guides usually don't pull in fish.
Damn it! There he is. Nice one. Nice one, Paul. Real nice one.
Get his head up. Get his head up.
There we go. There we go. There we go.
Ooh, that's gonna be close. Oh shit. Okay, I wasn't in front of your camera. I don't think.
No, you're good.
I think I was supposed
Look at that one. Hell yeah. Check that out. Woo! You got that light?
Yeah.
Okay, sweet. We'll go right here. Look at that. Woohoo!